So because I've got several high school students that could be taking AP Calculus next year, if they're going to be taking AP Calc at their school, I thought I should add to what you posted, Jerry, because I mean, great work, and using Desmos is a great tool, but they don't have access. If they're taking the AP Calc test, they don't have access to Desmos. So some things that I would hope that students could do. I mean, whether or not you're taking AP Calculus, it's good to realize this because if you can think about this, it might help you with a different kind of question. Um, so if I'm looking for the y-intercept, the y of this function, one thing I noticed too is that you didn't catch that we have a t here and x there. That's just a typo. That's not doesn't add to the complexity. Um, so, but what we do. How do I find the y-intercept? Well, that if it's a y-intercept, x is always zero, right? Because anything along this y-axis has an x coordinate of zero. So I'm just going to replace everything with zero. And if that's zero, that's gone. If that's zero, that's gone. That leaves me negative 15. So the y-intercept is 0, negative 15. If they wanted to pair, an ordered pair, you could also say y equals 0 or y equals negative 15 if you want. AP Calculus, those readers want to see something like this. They want to see if they say list the y-intercept, they want it as an ordered pair. Um, I'm not going to be that picky. My open math might be in places, so I mean it's good to just pay attention to that. So the next thing is how do you find the x-intercepts? Now, um, for the AP Calc test, they won't make you use a quadratic formula. That's all. That's all. That's just not needed anymore. Um, if they're gonna give you an equation that's gonna require a not nice factorable kind of question, they'll make you they'll let you use tech for that. So, however, and I'm going to ask this on the first exam. I'm going to ask you to solve a quadratic equation. I'm going to say write the equation you're solving, and then use tech to solve it. You don't have to show me the quadratic formula, all the work. So really, in this situation, I would say, I'm going to pretend this is x. I would say, where does k of x equal 0? And then you could use your graphing calculator or use Desmos or whatever to solve it. And so that's all you'd have to do. What if I wanted you to solve this equation for when k of t, so where does I'll say k of x, when does k of x equal 20? Even that you wouldn't have to do any more than writing that, and then you could use tech to solve it. I mean, you could certainly go beyond that. I mean, you could say for this, where does k of t equal 0? You could write 2x squared plus 4x minus 15. Where does that equal 0? If I asked you this one, you could say 2x squared plus 4x minus 15 equals 20, and then you could solve that. 2x squared plus 4x minus 35 equals 0, and then use tech to solve it. I don't think either one of these factor. I'm guessing I didn't try it, but okay. So this is the kind of thing about show what you're solving, and then use tech to solve it. That's fine. Unless I say solve it analytically, then I want you to show me all the work. Okay, but purpose this was just to help people out if they're going to end up taking a AP Calc course. Your Calc 1 teachers here, instructors here at CCV won't make you do the factoring. At least I don't think they will. I know when I teach AP or teach calculus here for CCV, I don't require to see all that quadratic formula work. We assume you've got it, in college algebra. So, okay, I hope this helps.